静寂を破り裂いて世界は炎の最中へ
Hey! What's up there, YouTubers? Black Zen here, and welcome back to another Random Builds Reviews. For this video, we are going to be doing an unboxing to the Moderoid Sol Sigma Gravion set. So here we are, and there's the box itself. And of course, a quick look at the packaging before we get this big boy opened up and have a look at its parts. So, Sol Sigma Gravion is sort of a Gravion, or the second installment to the three-part series. This one came from Season 2, known as Gravion Zwei? I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that. But the icon is right at the top corner of the box, as you can see. Just going to lift it up a bit. So, get it right here. Not sure how much you guys can see that, even though I tip it. Alright. So for starters, I do like part of the artwork on the box. So you've got Sol Sigma Gravion all combined in its pristine flame combination here. It looks so good. So, on the side of the box, pretty much nothing but a backwash of space, as well as the name. Got some warnings, choking hazard, small parts, not for children under the age of 3 years old. Caution, product may contain sharp points and edges. And also some other warnings, such as the product can expose you to chemicals including phthalate. I'm sorry, I'm really not sure how to pronounce that one, which is known to the state of California to cause cancer. Eesh. Meant for ages 15 and up. Oh well, be that as it may. On the other side of the box, again, big thing of space. Though you do have some of the planet Earth right here, which is not totally too bad. And I've been told if you can collect all three boxes, you can create a sort of mural, which is not too bad. All right, digging right down. And I'll bring this up just a bit. Got the Moderoid sign, as well as the XO for the Good Smile Company icon. On top of the box, now, Sol Sigma Gravion, once again, it's a Moderoid model kit. Luckily, this one ain't open. On the back of the box, you've got your obligatory product shots, and I've got to say, these are nice and wonderful, and my camera is still a bit down. Okay. Alright, so going right up. Got the whole figure combined in as well. Got a sword. Piece of the chest missing. That's optional. Not going to worry about it. Fact, up close them. Of course, there's some Japanese writing here that I really can't read. It'll take a translation app program to even look at that. Jeez. So, in any case, you've got some other combinations here, or such as, do a bit of a close-up. And just to focus that. Oh, and I lost the lighting. Oops. Alright. So let's see. You've got the Geo Divas, all four right here. I forget their names right now. Luckily, I've written them down for the random hat draws. More than welcome to look them up again online, because I know it can be a bit confusing. I'm much more familiar with the basics of a Season 1. Of course, all the Geo Divas can combine into this big thing right here. You've also got Grand Sigma, who is the core of the entire figure. You can also combine this with the Grand Kaiser to form up Sol Gravion. Of course, there's also additional pieces for the Gravion set. And of course, when you get all three, you can combine them to form the Ultimate Gravion. Yes! Ultimate Gravion is kind of my favorite. Has been since the season finale or series finale of the series. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so that being said, and also on the bottom of the box, more obligatory art shots. So it's Gravion, what you expect. Alright, so I'm going to refocus the camera here. Okay. Alright, let's get this big guy open. I want my knife for this. And okay. The tape is cut. And oh, come on. Come on. Ah. I always hate this part. Okay. Ah, there we go. There's one corner. There's the other. Put this down flat. Lower the camera a bit. Because I know some of us want to see what is going on here. Okay, come on. Oh. All right. Ah. Out you go. Okay, this is being one tricky model kit. Or at least the box is. Ah. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we not go. Okay, you want to come out first. Fine. There. Ugh. Okay, that was a stubborn box, I tell you. Alright, so looking inside, you've got our tech manuals with the stickers, of course, because we're going to be needing this. And of course, we have a box full of parts. Alright, so I see we have 2 J's, an A, and some transparent green plastic. Tray SM. I believe that's what it is. A whole lot of organizing here, and timber. Okay. I'm definitely going to have to sort through all this. Okay, so there's a couple of H's. I think that has parts of Sigma. More parts to Sigma, as well as the Geo Divas. I'm going to move that to the side. Okay, I see something slipping about in this bag, and I almost thought this was opened up. So, more parts of Sigma. Some to the Divas, more to Sigma. Ooh, lake parts. Okay. A couple of SJs. Parts of Sigma. Ooh, and there are some painted parts. I do love me some painted parts. Very good ones. Hee SL. Huh. Okay, and this I can see a sword and 2 mouths. Huh. I wonder if that's meant for the Sol Gravion set. I have to look into the instructions. Okay. Okay. Alright. Part C, that goes to Sigma. How can I tell it really? It's not that hard after building Grand Kaiser. D, and what is that? That's a B? That's some big chunky hands. Okay, I think that goes to both the Divas and the Sigma. I'm not really sure. SF, definitely to the Geos. And a lot more here going on. Oh, we get some transparent parts. Yeah, they're going through my hands all right. Alright. More parts. I am going to have fun opening each and every one of these bags and trays to put on my other trays. You know, just to sort through them. Okay. SB. Looks like a pair of wings right there. And some more painted parts. I do love me some painted parts. Okay. And more parts for the Divas. This is an SG. And lastly, an SA. Oh, so it only comes with one sword hilt? Huh. Okay, I see we had the sword and as well as the... Oh, okay. I want to see something. Where's the instruction booklets? Where are the instructions? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I am seeing 2 sets of stickers. The white ones you can barely see because they're pretty much in with the sheet, while the red ones are clearly visible. I believe this determines with what side of the sword you're going to make out of it. The ones in white, almost similar to the red, if you put these on, you're claiming the sword as the white steel fang. And I remember this from the end of Season 1 when Sandman summoned it right in front of Gravion. And again in a few episodes of Season 2. Whereas the red ones claim the sword to be the super heavyweight sword for Sol Gravion. Okay, I'm definitely going to need a backup set so I can have both swords. So, luckily, it just so happens I have a backup set. So I'm going to build the backup one off camera while building this one for you guys. Or at least in future videos. And I'm really going to have to sort through all these parts and go through the instructions booklet. Gee whiz. And hopefully he'll just be as totally incompatible with this Gravion. I do love model kits. I do love the mechs. So, I'm liking everything about this. That's all I can say for right now. Okay, in any case, I'm going to go off camera, get these things sorted. And, you know what? I'm going to bring Gravion back in. Because speaking of Gravion, there's a mode, or at least a piece in all this, for him to use while wielding the White Steel Fang sword. So, next video, I'm going to do some extra parts. In this case, the sword. And let's see if he has a mouthpiece. Alright. I won't be doing all the extra parts. I'm just going to, well, I'll be using that slip again in later videos. Alright. In any case, I'm going to end here. Going to get some rest. Be prepared for the next video. So it might be short, but who cares? And this is Black Xana saying tower deactivated. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications if you haven't. And I'll see you all until next time. Bye!